All right, crew, over here at Champion Auto Sales, Tallahassee, Florida, got another epic review. This is one of my first, and I'm super excited to bring you these. So we got different models of what we call old school trailers that you pull behind your vehicle. I'm going to look at 3 different models that they have over here. They actually have 4, but I have the keys for 3 of them, and each one of them have their own special touches on the inside. The interiors are different, which pretty much what I saw this from my initial walk around is that the interior colors are different. And then the one all the way on the end, which is the garnet and gold, the Florida State looking one has different, it has all-terrain tires when these have these classy old school wheels on them and tire setup. And then that one has, instead of a bed all the way in the back, that one has seating. So without further ado, we're going to hop into this RV pull behind review. Y'all hang tight. All right, crew. So we're going to hop in the interior of blue. We're going to call this one blue. Stock number 80254. 80254. We're going to call this one blue. Let's go through. Blue. So first things first, you got these steps to go in there. Nice touches. You do have the little canopy that you can pull out. You got your venting for your microwave and stove. Battery pack area back there. Right here in the front. You know what it is. Propane tank, all that good stuff. Actually, 2 propane tanks in there. Let's go hop in blue. Got storage down here. Let's go. First RV review. All right, so blue, got these blue chairs in here. Fire extinguisher. You got the wood trim. Smells so good in here. You got the private bathroom, as you can see right there, with a shower. That's a cool touch right there. Neat. Got a sink. You got the old lavatory if you want to be sophisticated, the toilet, whatever you want to call it. These things are brand new, still wrapped up. Right here you have your kitchen area with a extendable table right there. All the good stuff. You got your pantries, all that good stuff. Sink. You got a little gas burner stove. You got lighting. You got venting for your stove. You got a microwave. And the most important thing, you got that bed. Just in case y'all ready to lay it down. Pretty big back here too. Spacious. Plenty of headroom. You got an air conditioning unit up top. Man, it smells good in here. Yes, sir. So there you go. This is blue. Y'all remember that. You got lighting, all that good stuff. Of course, you got to hook everything up. I'm going to turn back around so y'all can see the seating areas up here. Nice touches. Plenty of room in here. I mean, I'm 6'1" and plenty of headroom, lighting, bathroom, all kind of goodies. Got a nice little storage shelf right there. We're going to go through all 3 of these so that I have the keys for because they all have these different touches. So this is blue. 80254 is the stock number on this one. Y'all come check it out at Champion Auto. All right, family, we're going to check out old school trailer. We're going to call this one red. R-E-D. Red. With the black tires. You don't got the white walls on this one. You got the black tires with the old school chrome cap. Once again, you have the extender right here, the canopy, venting for the stove. Got a nice window back there. All the windows come open. Let's go ahead and hop in. We're going to call this one red with the black tires. Red with the black tires. Stock number 80251 over at Champion Auto. Let's check out red with the black tires. 80251. So here goes what red is working with. You got these red seats in here. Let me step on in. Like I said, the little touches are different. The interior designs and the color. Same basic bathroom setup as y'all can see. Shower, toilet, sink. sink, stove. With the propane tanks, you got the radio controls right here. Nice touches. You got these cabinets right here for plenty of storage in here. Got the micro baker right there. Cool touches right there. Brand new, like I said. Got the bed back here. This is red with the black tires, 80251. Y'all come check this out. These are pull behinds. They got the radio tires. And the last one that I do, we call that one Garden and Gold, Florida State. Has a little bit more different touches to that one as well, with the all-terrain tire. But you know what? I ain't gonna ruin it. When we get over there, we get over there. And y'all check it out. So once again, plenty of storage in here. I'm not sure of the actual specs, but hopefully y'all can just tell from me walking around in here what it's working with, and we'll go from there. Storage, got the fridge right here covered. It's got the wood on it, so it looks like all one piece. Speakers down there. All these windows can open up and get your ventilation plus the air conditioning. That's red with the black tires, 80251. With the red leather guts. Check it out. Last but not least, we're going to go check out Garnet. Garnet and Gold. This is for the Florida State crew right here. So you got the Garnet at the bottom, gold at the top. Same features as the other 4 that we have out here. But the difference here, you have the mud terrain tires here, which is pretty cool. Nice touches all the way around. And yeah, this one's a little bit more special. We're going to hop in here, give you my perspective on this one. Once again, you got the canopy that goes over the extender here on the side. And let's check this one out. We're going to step on up in here. So this one has the gray trim with the table already set up for you. Once again, fire extinguisher, because this thing is fire. Fire. So anyway, you got the ventilation vent up there. Once again, bathroom right here. Nice touches all the way around. Shower, toilet, sink, storage. Let's go ahead back here. Keep on moving. Once again, radio controls up here for you. Microwave. Got the range hood adapter, we call it, in the air conditioning industry. My former industry. That's how I know about it. Got your sink right here. Stove. And this one, everything is already folded out. This one has a full table back here set up for you. So yeah, this one's really cool. This one's the party bus right here. More storage. You got your cable, auxiliary. All of them have this. I forgot to show you that with the others. So you can hook up TVs and stuff in here. I probably would mount one right here, as long as it doesn't go through the bathroom wall when you mount it. But there's your air conditioning controls. This one is the party bus. Yes, sir. And ma'am. Ain't that cool? It's the one right here. Hey, you doing some tailgating? Bring this thing out there? Man, you'll be the bad boy. Or girl. So yeah, there you go. Got the gray leather seating surfaces. Got the window blinds and everything built in. And there she is. Party bus. Party trailer. With the radio and everything built in already. The extender, the retractor, all kind of goodness here. This is sweet. I like these. I would live in this. So, this is it, man. Let me give you the stock numbers on this one as well. And we'll go from there. So this one is nicknamed Garnet. And stock number is 80255. 80255. Tell them you want the one with the party bus table in the back. And the seating. That's this one. Well, I tell you, these things are well equipped for what they are. Pretty sweet. And all of them come with this screen door. I forgot to show y'all that. So you have a screen door plus the hard door. Nice touches. Thank y'all for watching. We do it all. We got it all. Champion Auto, Tallahassee, Florida. Thanks for watching. Let's look before I wrap this thing up. There's the 4. There's Garnet. There's red with the black tires. There's blue. And another red one at the end down there, man. Come check us out. And if you need something to pull it, hey, we're going to go all in on the advertisement here. We got plenty of those too. We got the Raptor. Stay tuned for that review. Took that one out on the road. We got Tacomas. We got a bunch of pickup trucks right in this area, but I know this one right here probably pull all 4 of them. if there was some kind of adapter to do so. But once again, thank y'all for watching. There you go. Take one home.